Welcome back. Let's explore the remaining 12 signs that you might need more nutrients. Here we go. Restless legs. Feeling an uncontrollable urge to move your legs? Iron and magnesium supplements can help. Poor wound healing. If cuts and scrapes heal slowly, increase your vitamin C intake to boost collagen production and improve wound healing. Hair loss. Experiencing more hair fall than usual? You might be low in protein or iron. Ensure you're getting enough of both. Ridges on nails. Noticeable ridges on your nails can indicate a lack of protein, calcium, or zinc. Dairy, beans, and nuts can address these deficiencies. Constipation. If you're frequently constipated, fiber and magnesium can help. Focus on whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Heart palpitations. This can be a sign of low potassium or magnesium. Bananas, potatoes, and spinach can help stabilize your heart rhythm. Cracked lips. Cracked or sore lips can be due to a lack of B vitamins. Include more meat, fish, and dairy in your diet. Weakness. General weakness might indicate a lack of multiple nutrients including potassium and vitamin D. Bruising easily. If you bruise easily, boost your vitamin C intake to strengthen your blood vessels. Scaly patches and dandruff. Seborrheic dermatitis and scaly patches can be due to zinc, niacin, and vitamin B6 deficiencies. Fish and poultry are great sources. Irregular heartbeats. Low levels of magnesium or potassium can cause irregular heartbeats. Check your levels and adjust your diet accordingly. Sudden weight loss. Unexpected weight loss might be a sign of a deficiency in several nutrients. Consult a healthcare provider for a thorough evaluation. That's all for our look at nutritional deficiencies. Remember, eating a balanced diet and consulting with a healthcare provider can help you address these issues effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.